Alright, this is Calibos. So we are playing Antimatter Chemistry. Apparently we have lots of water. So I forgot what we were doing last. We have done all of the first one. We're working on our chapter 2. So we'll need pink, black. So pink is what? Magnesium, and black is carbon. Fire. Here. And then we need what's iron oxide. So requires iron oxide, which is 2 iron, 3 oxygen. This. Back to it. Eight. 9. Craft. Do that. I was doing all this before, right? Our white antimatter. We need some more antimatter. Of course we need more antimatter. If I'd been smart, I'd have done the top layer or two and gone down. Can't top layer. Never accuse me of smart, I guess. Well, I guess I have, but probably wrong. Alright, so, be able to do this. My biggest regret for this that we don't have whatchamacallit. Is that we don't have I can't remember what it's called off the top of my head. That should give us black. Let's go. So that gives us generator, a speed copper. That should give more red antimatter. Pink antimatter. What is the phosphorus, carbon? Okay. Red again. So what a pink generator does is, pink generator gives you power based on pink stuff that you burn. I know, right? Okay, phosphorus. Recall it's towards the left. 50. And chart. Phosphorus. Phosphorus. Generator actually gives you quite a bit of power. We'll have to see how that works. I mean, I think I'm doing pretty good. Oh. That can go there. Cobble there. Copper. I don't know what I'm going to do with that yet. I have a hand in it. Very exciting. Apple guidebook. Still have silly amounts of hydrogen. Fortunately, with hydrogen, we can do a lot. Apparently, we can make hydrogen polarities. Oh, cool. Yes. We can just burn hydrogen as fuel. So we're eventually going to get into hydrogen, and combining hydrogen into other stuff. What I'll probably end up doing is it's to fill one at each of the chart. Just that. So got more aluminum, more tungsten, we got strontium now. There we go. Strontium is 38. Our chart here. 38 is here. That's yep, that's perfect. We've got more iron oxide combined with more white antimatter. So we need to create redstone. Redstone, chemical combiner, and we want iron oxide and strontium carbonate. So strontium and (20) carbon and 6 oxygen. Strontium we were putting in here? 20 of those. Back up to the top. 20. be a lot easier once we have enough power to really go nuts. Make redstone made with chemical refiner. Make strontium carbonate. That. Alright, so we're going to make that. And we're going to throw in this. And we're going to throw in that. And the next thing we're going to make is oxide. Well, we'll do that in a second. We're going to get the strontium. Perfect. Now, that I'm going to go 20, 20, and that gives us redstone. Magical dust. Go us. Science to take down these trees. Science. Alright, so from here, that gives us a basic energy cell. So now we can store power, and that's impressive and important. For the moment, we're going to put that aside because I don't know exactly how we want to do that. So if we make 2 furnace generators, that will give us item ducts and servos. Furnace generator. We'll need a machine block. It's going to be a chest and some iron. Iron did we have? More. So that's 4. We're going to need okay, so iron, go that through. That gives us iron ingots. Furnace generator. Test really quick. Got it. That beam block. Now we need those. Quick. Furnace. Now we should have a furnace generator. So we're going to rinse and repeat this process, and wrong way. Test. Those. A bit more iron. 47. So we need more iron than we have. Go ahead and grab some. Down for some antimatter, which gives us more iron. Also, we check the I think that we need to iron, copper, potassium. All right. So we need more iron. So that gives us a full stack. Gives us 4. 32 more. Don't have. Okay. You know what's really weird is I had no idea that I was making this 9 wide. Kind of like did it and it happened. Alright, so let's do this. Oh. Alright, that gives us enough iron to actually talking about. So for that gives us 9. So our furnace generator, I am an idiot. Make a second machine. Now we can actually go straight from our furnace. We can simply make charcoal and fuel everything. We have 2 furnace generators. So what I'd kind of like to do is we're gonna move a bunch of these. Because they are not necessary where they are. And it would probably be slightly more convenient for us to have more I'd rather be eating. I don't know. That came out in my head differently than out here. Let's put this down. Put our energy cell between. Oh, we might need to energy cell. Have a something. So in what side is what? That should make that the front, right? Facing me is now in. I want it to be there. That should be in. Pop our generator down. Want back to out. Some flux ducts. That. Use the chemical combiner really quick and convert in opposite. Gets rid of all of this RF. We go ahead and pop. Here we want in generator on top. We'll go ahead and connect that. Finish that. One really. Okay, so the goal is now we should be able to put charcoal is that needs okay, sure, whatever, it's working. Now from here go ahead and get rid of the rest of our toast generator. Now we're collecting a lot of power. So for the moment, this is not so bad. All it's really doing is powering these two things. We almost have enough here that we could just go ahead and power the computer systems. And that may be what we're going to do with our next setup. So we're I think that looking at what we have, we've got a little bit of storage, but we don't really have anything like for automation or any of that. And we don't have what I really like is go ahead and our system here as storage. Weird. So we're going to go ahead and call it here. I think at this point we're starting to get a lot further on what we had. Gray antimatter. We'll just get rid of all the light gray antimatter. That's what we got copper for. But yeah, we're gonna call it here. I hope you guys have enjoyed this episode. If you did, go ahead and leave me a like. If you didn't, don't. Simple as that. Yeah. So you folks have a great night.